Today's featured recipe is Aunt Dolly's potato fried cakes, straight from a handwritten card. The ink is fading, but the recipe inside is a masterpiece. It's been written, shared, and cooked for generations. Today, on Handwritten Heritage Recipes, we're bringing one of those handwritten favorites back to the kitchen. Here's today's featured recipe. Aunt Dolly's Potatoes Fried Cakes. 1 cup mashed potatoes. Butter the size of a walnut. 1 cup of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 2 eggs. 1 cup milk, sour. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1 teaspoon soda. 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. 3 cups unsifted flour. Eggs should be beaten. Start with 1 cup mashed potatoes in a bowl. Melt in a walnut-sized piece of butter. Stir in 1 cup sugar. Then mix in 2 beaten eggs and 1 cup sour milk until smooth. Now add a 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. Stir in 3 cups flour to make a thick batter. Scoop and press into small patties. Fry in shallow oil until golden on both sides. Drain and serve hot. Just look at these, golden brown and ready to eat, best served hot with sour cream or applesauce. Here's today's extra bonus recipe. Help us keep these recipes of the past alive, so together we preserve their history. Also, please like and subscribe for more vintage recipes. Once a week, Grandma shares one of her favorite recipes from her box, so keep your eye out for that. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed today's recipes, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment and let us know how it turned out for you. Handwritten Heritage Recipes is all about preserving these recipes of the past by sharing them with you, so y'all come back soon. From our home to your home, see you next time. Be blessed.